Welcome to the wonderful world of pollinators. Have you ever wondered how flowers grow and produce fruits? It's all thanks to tiny, busy creatures like bees and beautiful butterflies. Let's start with bees. Bees buzz from flower to flower, collecting sweet nectar. While they sip nectar, they pick up pollen, which helps flowers grow and make seeds. Did you know that bees can visit thousands of flowers in just one day? Now, how about butterflies? Butterflies are colorful insects that flutter gracefully. They also help flowers by spreading pollen. When they land on flowers, they transfer pollen to others, helping them grow. Butterflies come in many colors, from bright yellows to deep blues. Both bees and butterflies are essential for our food, helping fruits and vegetables grow. Without them, many plants wouldn't survive. Let's remember to love and protect these amazing pollinators. Next time you see a bee buzzing or a butterfly fluttering, think of the important job they do. Now, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Looking for more fun and educational activities for your little ones? Click the link below to visit a website with exciting items perfect for young children. This video was created by Auto Shorts. Want your own eye-catching videos? Tap the link in the description and get started today.